Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to do cleaning cycles on a Canon Pixma MG5753. Now this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the control panel you can see here. So from the home screen of the printer, we need to scroll down a couple times until we have setup displayed on the right hand side of the screen. From here we press the button underneath setup to go into the options. And now we need to go into maintenance, which is already selected, so we just press OK. From here, you have two options. We have cleaning and deep cleaning. They are essentially the same thing. Deep cleaning is more thorough, but uses more ink, as this model of printer pushes ink physically through the printer's printhead to try and dislodge any dried or congealed ink in there, which will use up ink, so I'd recommend using this sparingly. And if it's your very first clean, just go into normal cleaning, not deep cleaning. Press OK a couple times to get it going. Now this will take the printer a couple minutes. You hear lots of clicks and whirs coming from the printer as it does its thing. And when it's done, your printer will present you with this screen here offering to print a nozzle check pattern, which will look something like this shown on screen, with a breakdown of all of the different colours your printer uses in both solid bars and the small detailed part at the top here. This will give you a pretty good idea as to what your printer is now capable of, and from here you can just go in circles doing cycles and head cleans until you see a visible improvement in the quality of your print. Missing colours or stripes in these bars would normally manifest as like banding across your page as the printhead moves back and forth. And small breaks in the more detailed black portion would normally manifest as like issues with the text and bits like that. So you should have a good idea of what you're dealing with. But that's about all there is to see here. If this video has been useful to you, please let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, drop it down in a comment. Otherwise, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.